Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. And what do we have today? Well, today I have another sponsored video. Again, it's about a motorcycle display with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can use Google Maps, Waze. These days you can't go around such a display for your motorcycle. If you still have a TomTom or a Garmin, guys, consider such a device. There are a lot of it on the market, and I like to show you another brand so you can make a good informed decision when you want to buy one of them. So, and this time it's from another brand, Linkifun. And we're gonna unbox it first to see what's in the box. But don't worry, guys, I'm still doing maintenance on motorcycles. Don't worry. But I like to inform you about what's on the market when it comes to these kind of systems. I like to show it to you, what it's capable of, what you can do with it, how to install it. But this video, we first going to unbox it. So I would say, come on over and we have a look what's in the box. Now guys, this is the system I'm gonna unbox today. First, we're gonna see what's in the box. This out of the way, and then let's see. No. Okay. First, we have a card. That looks nice, huh? Motorcycle Smart Riding System. Then we have, of course, the display. Welcome to the Motorcycle Smart Riding System. Kindly remove the screen protector before usage. We recommend reading the user manual before getting started. Avoid using sharp tools to interact with the display for its protection. So you don't allow to scratch it with a screwdriver, I think. Display looks actually nice. It has nice torques. See? Like this. Torques. This is plastic. This is aluminium. Cables with, let's see guys, this is nicely long, so I rather had seen this in one cable instead of, what else, 5. Yep. The connectors are nicely colored. This one has a cap onto it. Okay. There are 2 black connectors, a red one and a blue one. It has a ball on top of here, plastic. I think this is aluminium, not sure. A built-in GPS antenna, also good. Underneath here you got space for the SD card. There is a tiny hole here. Maybe it's the microphone, the rest looks good. Let's move on, guys. Then, this out of the way, this out of the way. Motorcycle camera 2 times. Let's open this box. Whoa, guys, These are really with a card reader. And guys, a 64 gig SD card, but with a reader with it. That looks interesting. Let's see. It says USB specification 2. This is the card reader with a cap. Micro SD. Oh. They thought about it, huh? Transfer your video files onto your computer or your laptop. This is the card. It's 64 gigabyte card. Nice. Put it over there. Then guys, these cameras. Whoa. Nice. With a nice shoelace. Take it out. Whoa. These are really sturdy aluminium. I love them. They don't look cheapo like those plastic bullet cameras. This looks really nice. Watch. Whoa. One camera. This is the front. It has a shorter cable. This is the rear. A longer cable. Oh, it's over here. Rear. That's good with a blue connector. And this is a 4-pins black connector. Sticky tape. Also with screws, so you can screw it. We have box A, this one. Box A contains a bracket, those rings to make it fit on your bar, and 2 Velcro cable binders. I think that's the right word. Old mechanic. Cable binder. Yes. Let's see. Tools. I like tools. But I need my scissors. Okay. Now, let's see. This out of the way. Hop. A tiny screwdriver. Okay. A Torx key. And another Torx key. So. And 3 sizes of rings. Rings to fit it on your bar. And this, I have no idea. I think it's protection to prevent it from scratching your bar. Not sure. I think it's a plastic strip thing. Then we have the mounting bracket. Nice. Okay. All aluminium. Let's loosen this one for a moment now. Oh, hey, with, see, the ratchet-alike thing. Okay. Nice. This is, guys, I love those fittings. These brackets I love. Because, watch. When you have 2 screws, it's a bit of a hassle. But this has a hinge. Watch. And there is this slit in here And this has a, yeah, show it like this. See? And it goes into there. Okay. Nice. Like this. Then you clamp it. I like that. I also like that it's aluminium. And this, wait a minute. Okay, this goes onto that ball. So let's see how that works. Let's see. Yes. So you don't have to screw them all the way out. That's nice too. Then screw them evenly. So, nice, guys. You can turn it like this, oh, this. Nice. Nice. And then, of course, you can rotate this one also. Okay. And now it's on this side. Wait a minute, this out of the way. On this side. But you can also get it on this side if you turn this around. So you can always find a spot to fit it on your bike. I'm absolutely sure, guys. Now, let's move on. So, the tools, which is great. Everything is in the box. Then we have box B. This is box B. Let's see what's in box B. The cable to power your device. It has the red connector. Let's see about the length. Now, guys, I think way over 2 meters. These are the, see, a red connector, so red on red, and I'm sure it has an arrow onto it, which it has. Plug it in, screw it. Easy, guys, these days it's really easy. On this side, well, this is also very easy. Without the manual, you already can attach it. Black is the negative of your battery. Red is the positive of your battery. And the yellow wire is the ACC. So that's for a wire that becomes 12 volt when you put it on your ignition. So it could be your rear light, your dim light. That's easy. It's marked. This also ground, and this says B+. Guys, this is easy. It's so easy. Then a nice cloth to clean the display, which I already greased up my towel. 8 tie wraps and these clamps. Guys, don't use these kind of connectors. These are really, this is so bad. You pinch a wire with that connection thing, but in time it's copper. Your wires are copper, and it's not an airtight connection. So in time it's gonna oxidize your copper wires, and within 1-2 years you got a faulty connection. And it starts with every now and then, and throw them in the bin and solder it, or use a really good crimping system. Like, wait a minute, I'm gonna show you. Something like these. Strip them, put them in, pinch them with a tool, then use a heat gun or a cigarette lighter, warm these up, and they melt. It's shrinking tube with glue, so you have an airtight connection. Always better than the best. What I love to do is solder it. Solder it with shrinking tube around it, with glue into it, and they have a perfect connection which lasts years and years and years. Then, of course, the manual, the motorcycle user manual, smart travel device, warm tips. Thank you for purchasing. To provide you with a better experience, we kindly suggest reading the manual carefully. It's in English, it's in Chinese, and it's in Japanese, if I'm right. Yes? Okay, but guys, it's in English. We're gonna insert the SD card first. That's easy. We have the tool, 2 screws. Up. Ooh, there are really tiny screws, guys. We take the 64 gigabyte card and get it out of its cage. And then let's see. It goes in like this. Okay. Yes. Then put that rubber seal on top of it. Then the cap. Okay. Okay. Now guys, this was my unboxing video. I hope you liked it. And if you do, consider a subscription to my channel. I really would appreciate that. Also give me thumbs up. Good for the YouTube algorithm. And in my next video, I'm gonna power the unit up and let's see what it's capable of. So hopefully see you the next time. For now, old mechanic.